look into. More warm bodies, human beings to man the traffic. Only during rush hours lang naman. Maglagay tayo ng marami. Pero permanently, ilagay sila dyan. Pero during rush hours, kailangan nandyan sila to control the flow of traffic. Alam mo, isa dyan, mag-conk out, magbara, o magbanggaan. Kung walang tao ang mag-control dyan, magsabi dito tayo muna magdaan, dyan na magkabuhol-buhol yung traffic. So, manpower is what is needed of the moment. We will try to solve the problem. On the other side naman, what does that translate or mean